previous topic, we have discussed about the gametes and spore formation. In this session, we are going to discuss about another method of asexual reproduction, that is vegetative propagation in plants. Now, what is vegetative propagation? Vegetative propagation is a type of asexual reproduction in which a plant is grown from its parts. So, all of us know that a plant can be grown from a seed. How many of you have grown a plant from a seed? I have done it. But do you know the plants can also be grown from its vegetative parts? Now, what are vegetative parts? These parts can be stem, leaves and roots. Means a leaf can be used to develop a whole new plant instead of growing from the seed. Such structures are known as vegetative propagules. So, is there any difference between asexual reproduction and vegetative propagation? There is a minor difference between both. Asexual reproduction is used for the simple organisms and animals, whereas vegetative propagation is used for the plants. This is the minor difference. Now, we are going to discuss about the types of vegetative propagation. So, this could be natural as well as artificial. As its name suggests, the natural vegetative propagation means there is no human intervention, means interference. There is no human interference. For example, that plant is cut by naturally or detached from the body and develop into a new plant. Whereas in artificial vegetative propagation, human intervention is involved. They are used by horticulturists to develop new plants, and this helps them to maintain the desired variety of some plants and to use them commercially. Now, we will dive into the natural methods of vegetative propagation. This includes roots, leaves, aerial stems, underground stems, bulbils and creeping stems. Now, I will explain, for example, roots. How many of you are fond of eating sweet potato? Yes, that sweet potato chaat we used to eat at the roadside. Do you know that sweet potato is a root we are eating of a plant? When I get to know about it, I really got shocked that how we can eat a root of some plant. But this is true. The sweet potato is a root. So what happens, that sweet potato grows a bud over its body. So if we take that sweet potato and grow in the soil again, then after some time you will see a new sweet potato plant will grow. This is how we got a new whole plant from the root. In the same way, there are the different methods of the natural vegetative propagation. So this was about natural vegetative propagation in plants. Next, we are going to discuss about artificial method of vegetative propagation. This includes cutting, layering and grafting. Let me give you an example of cutting. For example, if you cut the stem, root or leaves of any plant and again replant into the soil, then you will get a new plant. This can be seen in case of lemon, oranges, etc. Now here you can see the image of a root. If you take a portion of a root and replant again in the soil, then you will get a new whole plant. So here we came at the end of this session. In this session, we have discussed about vegetative propagation and their types. In the future session, we are going to discuss about the natural vegetative propagation in plants. Till then, keep watching Tutor App.